guys, I just want to share with you the, I guess, influencer package that Smooshy Mushy sent me, and it's the whole, I guess, like, so it's series 3 came out, and it's now like ice cream themed. So everything is Smooshy Mushy's ice cream. The packaging is so cute. I can't wait to see all the Smooshy Mushies. So let's see. Ooh. And they sent a Baskin-Robbins gift card to have real ice cream. So that's really cool. I actually live by a Baskin-Robbins, so can't wait to get some ice cream. This is pretty cool. Really nice. Okay. And it smells so good. Oh, here's the other. Here's the squishy that I opened. So it comes with the popsicle one, popsicle bestie, and then the monkey with the ice cream scoop on top. And they smell so good. So cute. And then it came with little Smooshy Mushy swag bags. So it has little stickers and pins. So it came with one of each. So it came with one Snackies, one Sweeties, and one Munchies. So I haven't opened those yet. And then you get a pink one, a blue one, and a green one, and a purple one. And the purple one had the monkey inside of it. And then the rest is fluff. Okay, so I have a checklist from the other one I opened. Let me show you the options. So I want to get the snow. Oh, wait, no, it's rabbit. I want to get the rabbit, the snow leopard for sure. So hopefully I get one of those. Yeah, or the other leopard, because they look so cute. The packaging is so different from the other ones from Series 1 and Series 2. Series 1 and Series 2 came in like a little plastic bag, and this one comes in like a little container to eat stuff, like you actually eat stuff. So let's see, the besties. I was trying to guess what I got for the besties. I think I got either the little Oreo cookie or the marshmallow. So let's see. I have the peanut butter and jelly one because I went to Walmart one time and I got one, and it was the peanut butter and jelly. Oh, it is! It's the cookie one! A pink little chain so you can hang it on. So cute. The Snackies, I think I got the corn dog. I did! I actually wanted the corn dog because look how cute! It has little mustard. Good one. I'm glad I got that one. And now the Sweeties. Oh, I think I got the cookie for the Sweeties, so let's see. Oh, I did! So now I have 2 cookies. How cute. They're little besties. So cute. At least I got the both cookies, so then they'll match. So I'm gonna open the green one. Let's see. Hopefully I get the leopard. Oh look, the little paper. Let's see. Get it out. Put it back on. Cute. Okay. Let's see. Did I get it? Oh my word, I got it! The bunny! The one I wanted! So cute! Oh, the little ears! I wonder what was the bestie, I forgot what it was. Oh cute! It's a little sundae! It really goes well with the mint green ice cream. So cute! I can't believe it. I'm so glad. This completes it. I wanted these 2. Yeah, I wanted the little one. And it comes with the sticker, like always, and the little name tag, and then the little chains. So you can put it, hang them somewhere. In your bag or something. I don't really care for the frog, but we'll see. Hopefully I get, that would be so cool if I got the bunny and the leopard. leopard. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, cute! I think I got the rare one. Or did I? Let me see. Oh, no, it's not the rare one. It's the penguin sundae. Oh, that one's pretty cute. Cute. Aww. It's a little sundae penguin. And then the bestie. Oh, cute. It's just like the other bestie. I'm surprised it's not pink. Oh, cute. A red one and a pink one. Let's see what I got with the one. Oh, yeah, oh, the frog. I got the frog one. The one I didn't really care for. But the little ice cream at the top is so cute. It's like someone got some ice cream and just put on someone's head like that. Cute. Let's see what the bestie. Oh, the bestie. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so it's good I got the ice cream sandwich. That one's cute. Okay, I'm glad I got the frog because of the bestie. Cute. Oh, pink and green. Of course, green. Cute. Pink and green. That's it. That's all the Smooshy Mushies. So I got the frog, the penguin, the bunny, the monkey, and the popsicle goes with this one. This is the bestie with that one, that one, and that one. And these are the little besties. Cute. So cute. You guys should know already by now that this one's my favorite. Oh my word, it's so cute. I like the colors. It's so flat at the bottom. It's cool. And then my favorite bestie is the corn dog. So cute. So those are all the Smooshy Mushies that I got in the package, and thank you so much to Smooshy Mushy for sending it to me. I'm so glad. Oh my word, I love all these little squishies. So cute. And they smell so good. Well, it just smells like sweetness mixed with like plastic smell. But they're so cute. They get so flat. They're so slow rising. So cute. Look at the little wrinkly face. So cute. Make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when I upload my next video. And thumbs up this video if you enjoy the Smooshy Mushies, and comment below what toys you like, so maybe I could get in on the new toys and stuff. Thank you for watching.